since we're talking about setting, there are two elements that I want to talk about specifically, okay? In setting, and stop me if we've talked about this, but in setting, all right, there are two things. I can't see that very well. Right here. We'll just write it right here, okay? These are two elements, and I don't know if you want to open up your Google Docs. I don't know if you want to write it on a piece of paper and transfer this in later, but in setting, there are two elements that we really want to focus on. One, okay, is what we call local color. That's how I title it, okay? This is the actual time and place, okay? This is the time and the place. So one is local color. That's what I call it. There are a lot of different names for it, but the actual time and place. Everybody get that? Okay? And then let's look at the second one. There is a second element to this. It's also atmosphere. These are the two types of setting that we will be working on in the coming days and coming weeks when we look at setting. And again, where is setting, folks? On the plot sheet, where is setting?
First.
It's in the exposition. It's in the exposition. There are two things in the exposition. What are they again? Setting and characters. Setting and characters. Very good. Okay? Any questions? And these are the two. Okay? Local color, which is time and place, and atmosphere. Can anyone give me a definition as to what they think atmosphere would be? Yes?
Like the whole mood.
Excellent. That's the mood. Right? For example, if it's a murder mystery, as we saw in the previous example, are we going to have it in the middle of the day, on a sunshiny day? No. We're most likely, and we could potentially, but most likely, what time of day would that atmosphere be created?
Night.
And what's the weather like?
Rainy.
Yes, you guys have it. So the actual local color would be rainy, stormy, dark at night, but the atmosphere that's created is dark, gloomy, scary. Do you understand the two differences? And so we'll be looking at that in weeks to come. Questions?